Okay, I just want to make sure that everyone knows how to use Desmos to make a graph. This is for the helicopter challenge. So you can see that I've got one in here. The helicopter challenge one will be a little more complicated. So what you can do is I'll just turn this off by clicking there. I want to put in a table. Okay, we'll put our time in on the x-axis. Okay, and then our height in on the y-axis. Let's see here. All right, so let's say we get data that looks something like that. If you want to connect with a line, you just click and hold, turn on lines, and you can actually change the color if you want. Okay, this just shows you the different kinds of lines you can make. So if you have more than one graph, okay, you can just sort of change up how they look. So that's pretty easy. You just hover and hold. Okay, you want it to go away, you just exit off, and if I want to hide that, I hide it like that. Now, yours might not look quite like this at the beginning, so you go into the wrench, and you can set the heights and widths of your axes here. So I want to go from negative 0.5 out to 10.5, so that gets my width correct, but my height is not very good, so I'm going to go from negative 2.5 on the bottom, and my max height we'll put in as, let's go with 3.5. Okay, perfect. And then if we want to label our axes, we can put time on the x-axis, and we can put height on the y-axis, and then we're good. We got a pretty decent looking little graph here that shows some motion. Now you want to get this into the PDF doc. So this is in your browser at desmos.com. What you're going to do is you're going to go and get your snipping tool. So to get that, you just type snip into your search bar, snip and sketch, and you want a new snip, and then you simply just box the area you want, like so. It'll screen capture it. Okay, and then I'm just going to save it as, say, helicopter, like so. And I'll just put this right on the desktop, and then I'll be able to grab that and insert it into my file when it's time to do that.